The University of Michigan has had deep ties with the auto industry for over a century. The auto industry is going through an amazing and rapid change. Right now, they're really thinking about how do we transform lives through mobility. And so the idea that we have in terms of being a strategic partner is how do we engage these corporations in fulfilling that vision. So for example, we have been engaged with the Ford Motor Company for a number of years as they move towards autonomous vehicle technology. The same thing with Toyota as well. We're doing a lot of exciting work with GM, for example, on powertrain, the future ways of propelling cars. When you think about where the automotive industry is going, they are tackling a series of wicked problems. The notion is, how do you provide mobility in a world where the population is growing, congestion is getting larger? There are a number of amazing centers going on here at the University of Michigan related to mobility and automotive engineering in general.
A pioneer in professional education for over 80 years, ISD is in essence a hub for transdisciplinary and multidisciplinary activities that are realized through the convergence of disciplines on our campus. There are two elements that are at the heart of our activities. An integrating view of engineering systems, that is the systems thinking, and also a focus on addressing urgent societal challenges through design thinking.
We have amazing thought leaders here in ISD. The same sort of needs that the automotive industry has going forward are exactly aligned with the type of problems and challenges we feel we're at a great place to tackle here at Michigan Engineering. The Automotive Research Center is a great example of pulling faculty members, indeed not only from different departments in the College of Engineering, but different universities. Another one that we're launching is the Robotics Institute. So the Robotics Institute will bring about 30 of our professors from about 6 of our departments together under a roof. We have one of the world's most famous driving environments, the Mcity test facility, a 30-acre parcel of land that is a facsimile of almost all driving environments in North America.
Mcity is a public-private partnership aimed at transforming mobility through connected and automated vehicles. So cars that talk to each other and drive themselves. And we engage a number of partners across various industry sectors as well as public sector entities at the national, state, and local level to intentionally deploy these technologies, learn from them, and build a large, diverse research portfolio on top of them.
I work in energy systems, so specifically I work in both the transportation sector and in the stationary sector. We work both on how to improve engine technologies, powertrain technologies, be more efficient, reduce the emissions. Essentially decarbonizing the energy sector is what we want to do. It's an interdisciplinary challenge to address decarbonizing the energy sector. That necessitates that you have an integrated program. And ISD allows those different experts and expertise to come together.
ISD is the first unit at the University of Michigan to deliver online programs. Today, 5 of our programs can be taken completely online from anywhere in the world.
The online component allows us to integrate a really diverse group of students in every definition of the word diversity. So the way that they work, the places that they work, who they are, where they're physically and geographically located.
My experience in the ISD program was fantastic. I knew when I was looking for graduate programs to enter that I was really looking for something that offered the flexibility that the ISD program did. I knew that at Ford, my career was going to require some mobility, and the online delivery method was something that I really valued highly.
The classes were made around my schedule, made it really quite convenient for me, either when I was traveling or could come in person, to be able to engage with the class.
The reason why I chose UMIST ISD program was because of the domain expertise which lies within our faculty. Some of our subjects are taken up by industry experts, and there we see the practicality of our subjects. And I believe that this has helped me develop a skill set which is industry ready, and I am excited to apply this skill set to the industry.
I think the most exciting thing is that we live in an era where the types of engineering challenges cannot be solved in abstraction of the understanding of human behavior and society. And so ISD is perfectly positioned at this interface to allow disciplines to converge to tackle these problems in an integrative way.